Right, this is it. I'm actually stood on the mountain right up above the Gwent valleys, and we're at the village of Trefil. This is the quarrying village that is arguably the last place where Welsh was commonly spoken by all the inhabitants, and in timescale we're looking at probably the 1950s. In the distance there you can see some very rickety rugby posts at the highest regularly used rugby ground in the whole of Wales. I'm going to pan around. The reason for this village is its existence are the quarries, which we can see in the distance. They're quite extensive, they go on for several miles. In fact, before the land drops away to the Usk Valley, Tredegar village and the canal. Right, I'm panning around. We're looking due southwest at the moment. Over the ridge there, the road, the hills drop away down to Dowlais and Merthyr. Right, I'm going to keep walking down this hill till we get to the bottom. It's quite a trek. We're approximately 1,300 feet up here at the moment. And here's a hardy soul coming my way. Otherwise it's just me and the sheep. So the rugby club there use their ground regularly. They play in the lower divisions of the Welsh League and are very proud to continue. Morning.
Alright.
How are we?
You ready to take a photo today?
I am doing some work for Bangor University.
Bangor University?
Yeah, originally I'm from Abertillery, so I know the area reasonably.
Oh, aye.
It's in connection with the Welsh heritage of Trefil.
Oh.
Yeah. And it got sparked off by looking at the inscription for the war memorial in the hall, you know.
Oh, down by here,
Yeah, that's right. But it's looking at the census records. There was as much Welsh spoken here at the time of the First World War as anywhere in Wales.
Aye.
Astonishing. Hardly anybody said they could only speak English. It was either both or Welsh only. So are you a long-time resident here yourself?
No, I'm a resident now. I'm from down the bottom. My brother lived by here. But my father was born down in Shop Road down by there in 1910.
Where do you call Shop Row then? Because
They'd call it Shop Row and they'd call it the Rank.
Right.
Right by the club, we've got a row of houses going down to the river.
Because on that 1911 census it comes in as Shop Row.
Aye, it would be.
And then I couldn't find Shop Row on the map.
No, because the first house in the row was a shop.
And it's the one that goes down to the river.
Down to the river.
Right.
But the school over there.
Yeah.
We're there in the school now, actually. But,
yeah. I mean, Giles Row I found on the map, which is there.
My brother lived in Giles.
And Rumney Row as well. And then it was all a bit... Then there was Railway Terrace, and I couldn't find that at all.
Hello.
So that's on the top there, is it?
Yeah.
Right.
That road by there, like.
And that was the railway that went over that way, wasn't it?
It went down into the works one time.
That's it.
Or you could join that Merthyr to Abergavenny line, like.
Gotcha. Yeah, it's a fantastic history up here, it really is. But this little village, the importance of that language is so much, and it's never been studied or looked at or marked upon. Everybody said, oh, the last place they spoke Welsh was Rumney. But in fact it wasn't, it was here.
Aye.
You know?
I don't know, mate. You still get, I don't think anyone up here speaks Welsh, you know.
Well, it's faded away.
That's good. But I bet there's still a few in Rumney that can speak Welsh. Like.
The top part of Rumney, they think.
Is it?
But even so, they've moved people in and things get... But see, the holding force for it, the holding force it really was the chapel, you know, which had Welsh services, and, you know, off we went. So where are you off now? Walking over the top or what?
No, when you come up here, sheep to go up like.
Because people get amused by this because it's the highest rugby ground in Britain. Anyway.
They had a game last Saturday.
They never played cricket up here, have they?
Not as far as I know.
No. I'm only asking because there was a conference yesterday down in Sophia Gardens, you know, at the cricket stadium.
Oh, aye.
And I crossed my mind then, I thought, I wonder if they've got a bloody cricket team in Trefil. Because that would be the highest cricket ground in Britain by a country mile, you know.
Aye.
God, I picked the right day, haven't I?
I think a ring come in, and they.
Mind, it's been pretty rough everywhere. You don't have to be 1,200 feet up.
No.
Well, thanks to those directions, I'm meeting a girl after Alison who lives there, so she knows a bit more about the locality. But
Alison, I wouldn't bother with her.
well, it's only for
She's
information.
my cousin.
She's just get on, you're all right.
She did live up in the railway terrace, but
Yes, she told me that. Yeah, I do. I know her vaguely from years ago with the bike race that we used to run. So I'm hoping to get the enthusiasm so we can have a proper war memorial put up on top of the one that's inside.
what bike race then, or the sprints up the top?
No, the junior tour we used to have, which the big race, it used to start in Brimhow mostly.
Oh.
Never actually came up here, but we used to go, you know, along the bottom and round the beacons and all the rest of it, yeah. But because it's a dead end here, you're a bit limited, you see.
Or you can go right up down into Langanada, can't you?
Yeah, I know I've done it on my bike myself. But you've got to be a bit cautious, like as you're going down that valley.
Oh, aye.
Down the old Dram Road, you know. But no, I have done it once, but quite an excitement, to be honest.
Like, you got a moustache.
Right, boy.
You got a moustache.
Well, my sister dropped me off, and of course there was a bloody cow out on this side of the road come in, and then one came up the bloody gully there by what you said was Shop Row, another bloody cow. So she was amused about that as she came down.
They're not from up here, the cows then, like.
Oh, the cows?
They're from a farm down below the water, the reservoir over there, like.
So that's railway terrace up there?
Aye.
Right.
She live in the first house.
That's it, she told me that. So where's that van going on the top? That's a dead end up there, is it? There's nothing over the top that way.
Yeah, that's a waterboard van, that is.
Gotcha.
Going to the water's pumped up, look. To that little square up the top. They call a pump house.
Right.
And then it's pumped back down into the village.
Oh, right up on the top there, you mean?
You see a little square?
Yeah.
Concrete square, like.
Crikey.
That's a pump house. The water's pumped up there. And then back down into the village.
When do you know when they got electricity up here?
No.
Any idea? No?
No. The bloke you would want to talk to all about that.
Yeah, she might have some idea about Alison actually. Cause,
it could be because she's into history. And
yeah.
He's, I don't know, he's 95 now.
I look at little villages in Anglesey as well, you see, and they have a thing up there where most of them didn't have electricity till after 1950.
I'm more nice living than...
Pardon?
More nice Lloyd live in the bungalow over there. He's 95 and...
95, crikey.
He's lived up here all his life.
Where, that one on the end here?
No,
or this? The red brick one there?
Down in there.
The red brick one, yeah?
Used to live in the house next door. And then he had a bungalow built in, like. That was his garden. So he didn't have to buy the ground, like.
Right, well up in the distance is the very top with the trees.
There's them cows there on the
We're going to find some interesting cows. Right, we'll come back after. Thank you for your time anyway.